when it comes to cocoa. The entire world has a love affair with chocolate. And without cocoa,
Welcome to the world's largest cocoa plantation, where the magic begins with the meticulous cultivation of cocoa. After careful nurturing, workers manually harvest the cocoa pods, handpicking only the finest ones. These high-quality pods are then collected into containers, ready to be transported to the next stage of the process, the cleaning and extraction unit. Cocoa harvesting and processing. At the small cleaning unit near the farm, large machine cutters slice open the cocoa pods, revealing the prized cocoa beans inside. Workers efficiently separate the cocoa nibs, which enclose the cocoa beans, from the husks. The nibs are left to dry in the open air, where they form a thin skin that helps preserve their flavor. Once the nibs are dried, a preliminary quality check is performed to ensure they're suitable for making cocoa butter and chocolate. The beans' easy-to-break texture indicates they're ready for the next step. As the beans are poured into hoppers, a series of vibrators peel off the fine skins covering the beans. The now clean cocoa beans are transferred to roasting machines, where the nibs are slowly roasted to perfection. Roasting releases the deep, rich flavors of the cocoa, which is then sent to grinding machines. Here, the beans are ground into a smooth cocoa powder, marking the final step in the cocoa's transformation from raw material to the chocolate-making ingredient we know and love: sugar, the sweet essential. The next vital ingredient for making Nutella is sugar, sourced from sugar beets. Large quantities of beets are harvested and brought to the factory, where they undergo a thorough cleaning process to remove dirt and debris. Once cleaned, the sugar beets are shredded and processed to extract sugar. After this, the sugar is tested for quality, ensuring that only the purest and sweetest sugar is used in Nutella. White sugar, which has passed rigorous testing, is sifted through vibrating sieves to filter out any impurities, guaranteeing that only the finest granules are used in production. High-quality milk, the secret ingredient. To produce the creamy texture that Nutella is famous for, high-quality milk is essential. The milk comes from well-cared-for cows, raised on farms where their health and happiness are prioritized. It's believed that happier cows produce sweeter, more abundant milk, which is a key element in Nutella's recipe. The milk is tested upon delivery to the Nutella production line to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Once it passes all inspections, it's processed and prepared for use in creating the smooth, creamy texture that makes Nutella irresistible. Hazelnuts, the star of the show. For the rich, nutty flavor Nutella is known for, the finest hazelnuts are sourced from Turkey, which is renowned for producing the best hazelnuts in the world. Harvesting hazelnuts involves heavy machinery, which collects both hazelnuts and debris. However, the debris is separated from the nuts using selective sorting machines, and the nuts are sent to the factory for roasting. Once the hazelnuts arrive at the factory, they're roasted to bring out their natural oils and enhance their flavor. The roasted hazelnuts are then ground into a smooth paste. Workers conduct a human inspection to ensure there are no contaminants or imperfections that could affect the flavor. This careful attention to detail ensures that only the highest quality hazelnut paste goes into making Nutella. Palm oil, the secret to Nutella's smoothness. Palm oil plays a crucial role in Nutella's formulation, preventing it from hardening and adding to its smooth consistency. Palm fruit is harvested and taken to factories, where the fruit is separated from the bunches and pressed to extract the oil. After extraction, the oil undergoes further processing to ensure it meets the high-quality standards required for Nutella. This oil is essential for giving Nutella its spreadable consistency and enhancing its overall flavor profile. The production process, blending the ingredients. Once all the key ingredients, cocoa powder, hazelnut paste, sugar, milk powder, and palm oil, have been gathered, they are blended together in large industrial mixers. The cocoa paste, with its inherent oil content, mixes smoothly with the hazelnut paste, forming the rich, creamy base that makes Nutella so indulgent. The blending process is carefully monitored to ensure the right consistency is achieved. After a set amount of time, the final mixture is ready. The result is a luscious, silky chocolate hazelnut spread that fans of Nutella can't get enough of. Filling the jars, preserving the flavor. Once the Nutella mixture is perfected, the process of filling jars begins. The machines used in this step work in harmony, meticulously filling each jar with the perfect amount of Nutella, ensuring that none of the delicious spread is wasted. Each jar is sealed tightly to preserve the flavor and freshness of the spread, making sure that every spoonful tastes as good as the first. Labels are then attached to the jars, ready for distribution to Nutella lovers around the world. Large-scale Nutella production. In addition to jars, Nutella is also produced in larger quantities, like buckets, which are filled using specialized nozzles that ensure cleanliness and precision. These buckets are sealed using advanced rollers that ensure every lid is perfectly attached, preventing any leakage or spoilage. After the filling and sealing process, the jars and buckets pass through quality control detectors to ensure they're properly sealed and ready for distribution. The efficiency and precision of this process allow Nutella to be produced in vast quantities while maintaining its iconic taste and texture. The Biscuit Revolution, jam biscuits and beyond. In another part of the factory, we witnessed the production of jam-filled biscuits, made with the same level of care and precision as Nutella. Machines work quickly, cutting and shaping dough into perfect biscuits before adding a layer of jam. The biscuits are pressed together and baked to perfection, producing sunflower-shaped treats that look as good as they taste. These machines are designed to work at incredible speeds, producing up to 100 million biscuits a day. Each biscuit is filled and sealed with jam without creating any mess, thanks to the ingenious design of the machines. Crafting nut-like treats and cupcakes. The production line also includes a fascinating process for making nut-shaped snacks. The dough is carefully molded into the shape of a walnut, and once the chocolate filling is added, the halves are joined to create a snack that looks just like a whole walnut. In another section, buttercream is being applied to cupcakes with precision, ensuring each one looks perfect. The process is entirely automated, with the cupcake trays constantly moving as machines apply the frosting with speed and accuracy. Waffle making, a breakfast staple. The factory also produces fluffy waffles made with dough that has been proofed to rise perfectly. Once proofed, the dough is transferred to waffle irons where it is cooked to golden perfection. These waffles are made in bulk, ensuring that they're always fresh and ready for a quick, delicious breakfast. As the waffles move through the factory, they're cooked and packaged, ready to be shipped out to stores. The efficiency of the process allows the factory to produce a large quantity of waffles in a short amount of time, ensuring that customers always receive the freshest product possible. From the cocoa farms to the factory floor, the journey of Nutella and other treats is a marvel of modern food production. The use of advanced machinery, combined with human oversight, ensures that every step of the process is carried out with precision and care. Whether it's the rich cocoa powder, the creamy hazelnut paste, or the sweet sugar and milk, each ingredient is handled with expertise to create the perfect chocolate hazelnut spread. If you've enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at Nutella production and other factory-made treats, be sure to like the video and stay tuned for more amazing insights into bulk production processes.